In this video, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI in Grammarly step by step so you can create better writing faster right inside your document. If you work on emails, blog posts, captions, or any kind of written content, this feature can save you a lot of time and help you turn rough ideas into polished text in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open Grammarly in your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once your document loads, take a look at the right side of the screen. You should see the sidebar, which is where Grammarly keeps a lot of its writing tools and suggestions. This is also where the generative AI feature lives, so make sure you're looking in the correct panel. Now find the generative AI icon. Depending on the version you're using, it may look like a light bulb, a spark, or a magic wand. This is the button that opens Grammarly's AI writing assistant. Click that icon to get started. After you click it, a text box should appear. This is where you can type your request. Think of this like giving Grammarly a writing prompt. You can ask it to draft an introduction, rewrite a sentence, expand on an idea, summarize a paragraph, or even help you sound more professional, more casual, or more persuasive. For example, you could type something like, write a friendly email reply, or rewrite this paragraph to sound clearer and more confident. The more specific you are, the better the result will usually be. So instead of being vague, try to include the style, tone, or goal of the text you want. Once you've entered your request, Grammarly will generate a response based on your prompt. Take a moment to review what it creates. If it looks good, click Insert to add the generated text directly into your document. This is the part that makes the workflow so fast because you don't have to copy and paste from another tool or start from scratch. After the text is inserted, read through it carefully and make any small edits you need. Even though generative AI is helpful, it's still a good idea to check for accuracy, clarity, and tone, so the final version sounds exactly how you want it to sound. You can keep refining the prompt and trying again until you get the best possible output. And that's really all there is to it. You open a document in Grammarly, find the sidebar, click the generative AI icon, type your request, and then hit Insert to place the generated text into your writing. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference when you want to work faster and write better. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.